Hello and welcome to glittershinenails. Lina Nail Art recently released 8 new stamping plates and I purchased 4 of them from Nail Artisan UK. So featuring in this video is the first stamping plate, Let's Doodle 02, and you can find all the information on where to purchase from in the description box below. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you have the bell notification on. And please also like this video. These really help out my channel. Thank you. I'll be using my favourite scraper, my Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, of which I'll be using the clear side. I have 5 coloured nail tips that I'll be swatching onto, and my first swatch is using the pink tip. And I'm using a Moyu London stamping polish, and I'll be using this image right here. I did do this swatch in the photo swatches, which you will see later, and I thought you might want to see what I used to create it, as I love the outcome. It's subtle but gorgeous though, and I definitely want to use this colour combo in a mani. My next swatch, I'm going for this image here. I'll be using a light blue nail tip and my favourite dark blue stamping polish. I do like this colour combo, and this image is really pretty. They go so well together. I have made some smaller nail tips as I really don't like these gaps that are appearing. For the next swatch, I'll be using this dark green tip and I'll be using white stamping polish, and I'm going to use this image right at the top. I will be bringing the other 3 stamping plates to my channel over the next few weeks, and last week I uploaded my swatch review on Let's Doodle 01, which you can find in my Lina Nail Art playlist. But back to the swatch, I love this white over the dark green, it's so pretty. On to my 4th swatch, and I have a coral nail tip for this swatch, and I'll be swatching this image here using red stamping polish. I'm really into subtle coloured stamping at the moment. I do still like my bold colours as well, and this colour combo will be great for spring and summer manis. Moving on to my last swatch, and I have a dark green tealy colour nail tip, and I'll be swatching again using white, and I'm going for this image here. When I did this swatch, it sort of reminded me of my nan's wallpaper from back in like the 80s. A little retro maybe, but I do really like it. And then here they are all together, and I really can't pick a favourite out of these. So now onto the photo swatches. Let's Doodle 02 has 30 amazing designs, of which most of them are floral designs, like Let's Doodle 01, but there's also some patterned images as well. I have used the same scraper you've just seen me use, the Born Pretty dual clear and white stamper, and again I only use the clear head, along with my mix of stamping polishes that I use. 02 was the main reason I actually purchased 01, but I thought there were some stunning designs, and to be fair, these 2 plates would work so well together, and that is actually something that I want to do in future, to create a mani using both 01 and 02. Again, if you love florally designs for your manis, then this is another plate that really needs to be in your collection. A couple of the swatches didn't come out brilliantly, and I'm purely putting that down to the stamping polish, which was silver. They look a little smudged in my eyes. There's quite a few swatches that I would like to turn into manis, especially the 3 yellow swatches. I am not a fan of wearing yellow for manis, it really doesn't work with my skin tone. But them 3 together stamped in red would make an amazing summer mani, and actually something I would definitely wear for the summer. If there's ever a colour combo or swatch I do that you turn into a mani, I would absolutely love to see it. So tag me in it over on Instagram. There's a link in the description box. I've also added Lina Nail Art and Nail Artisan's Instagram pages too, so make sure you check them out as well. There is plenty of nail art inspiration on their pages. For the mani, I took inspiration from one of the swatches that I had done. I had just had a red nail polish arrive and I thought it would work well, so I used a white stamping polish, and these little flowers would work amazingly filled in with colour. Thank you for viewing my swatch review on Lina Nail Art Let's Doodle 02. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you did, then please give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. Comment below, I love to hear from you guys. Hit that subscribe button and share. Also, don't forget to come over and follow me on my Instagram page at glittershinenails. So until next time, happy stamping and bye.